rolling, finally coming to rest on its roof. Unsurprisingly, it was totaled. Cole had to have surgery for a broken wrist and says he's lucky to be alive. Amazingly, he told us the pickup driver's insurance provider is blaming him for the accident and refusing to pay for his claim. He wants to know who you think is at fault and if he should hire an attorney to
One final crash reopened everything. This time, there was no survivor. The car was found in a river under a collapsed bridge in rural Montana. The dashcam was still recording. When the footage was reviewed, the car could be seen slowing down on a straight road. The headlights flickered, and in the reflection of the windshield,